Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar. Thank you for taking time to join us. Today I will introduce the TSYS AG993 Auto Steering System, a new generation precision agriculture solution. We will focus on these three key topics: what the system can do and how it performs in real working conditions, and how it fits different market requirements. Okay, let's get started. TSYS is an affordable centimeter-level high-precision solution provider. We specialize in GNSS positioning technology and smart automatic solution, covering precision agriculture, machine control, and some related applications. With our strong in-house R&D capability in GNSS algorithm, integrated navigation, and industrial-grade hardware design, our products are now used in over 120 countries and regions, supported by global service centers. Since TSYS established, we have been focusing on GNSS board, receivers, and navigation algorithm. This technology foundation is what makes long-term stable auto steering possible. And these are our related products to the agriculture, our own GNSS board, base stations, and our PPP service tab. Okay, the AG993 system is powered by the TSYS tab, a global PPP correction service. Unlike the traditional RTK solution, the tab doesn't require a local base station or complex course configurations. It offers global coverage, fast convergence, and 24/7 availability, which makes deployment much simpler, especially for distributors operating in multiple regions. Another important point is reliability. When RTK signals become unstable and unreliable, then the system can seamlessly switch to the tab mode as a backup, ensuring the continuous operation in challenging environments. That is the tab field function. Compared with the B2B of the BDS and the HAS of the Galileo, tab has absolute advantages in coverage, convergence time, and accuracy. Now let's move on to the AG993 Auto Steering System itself. AG993 adopts an integrated receiver design with built-in GNSS IMU module and network and radio modules. This means this system can directly connect to the L-band satellites and get the corrections from the satellite for the tab service without additional extra devices. Combined with the new generation display software, AG993 provides smooth and accurate steering control, reducing the oversteer and unnecessary adjustments during the operation. Before we go into the hardware details, let's take a quick look at what is included in the AG993 package. As you can see, the system is delivered as a complete and well-integrated solution, which helps distributors deploy it quickly without any extra preparation. Okay, the AG993 system adopts an integrated hardware design including the guidance controller, display terminal, electric steering wheel, and some option components. Firstly, the guidance controller GC30 is integrated design. It transmits the position and altitude of the vehicle to the software. Built in 4G and radios, these kind of models give more options for the correction transmission. Display terminal, the TC120, has a 10.1-inch screen and Android 11 system. We also have another 12-inch tablet which will be released soon to give customers more options. The electric steering wheel, TS30. We provide 2 different steering wheels for customers, and all these components are designed for industrial-grade reliability with wide operating temperature range and high IP protection levels. And these are the optional components like the radio antenna, forget the radio signals, and the steering wheel knob and the wheel angle sensor. Here we have 2 optional components for remote control. One is a panel with a cable, and another one is a multifunctional steering wheel cover. It is connected to the display terminal by Wi-Fi, and they can do the functions like auto steering mode switch and left and right U-turn and AV line creation. From a compatibility perspective, AG993 supports around 95% of vehicles from different brands for different working scenarios. One of the most common questions for distributors and users is how complex the installation is. Let's take a brief look at the actual installation process.
Please mount the guidance controller on the roof and on the central axis of the vehicle to ensure the horizontal offset is 0 as much as possible. Remove the original steering wheel. Install the motor bracket A on the tractor steering column. Select the right bracket type according to the vehicle. Install the spline at the bottom of the motor. Install the motor bracket A at the bottom of the motor. Install the motor on the tractor steering column. Fasten the motor bracket screws. Install the steering wheel on the top of the motor. Check that the motor installation is stable and will not shake. Then fasten the dust cover. Install the bracket and U-shaped screws to the door frame. Install the power switch mount and tablet bracket behind the tablet. Fix the tablet to the bracket. Install the WAS. Ensure the plate rotates with the front wheel. Reserve about 10 centimeters cable to prevent it from being torn off during vehicle turning. Connect the power supply to the positive and negative poles of the tractor battery. Connect the main cable to the two interfaces at the rear of the guidance controller. Connect the main cable to the motor. Connect the main cable to the interface on the back of the tablet. Connect the main cable to the WAS cable. Turn on the power switch, then enjoy the auto steering.
Okay, as shown in this video, installation does not require much vehicle modifications. This makes AG993 very suitable for distributor lead installation and after-sales support. AG993 supports all major farming operations including harrowing, sowing, spraying, and harvesting. So next is about the software. With the CHAP or RTK correction, the system can achieve 22.5 centimeters pass-to-pass accuracy, which helps reduce the overlap, minimize the missed areas, and improve overall efficiency. This level of accuracy is especially valuable in precision plating and controlled traffic farming. AG993 always keeps the high accuracy at a wide speed range from 0.2 kilometers per hour to 30 kilometers per hour. And maintaining the accuracy at very low speed is a real challenge in auto steering. But for example, for planting potatoes, it's quite necessary. So now let's see how the AG993 performs under the ultra slow speed operation. So this demonstrates the stable steering control even at an extremely low speed, which is critical for operations such as transplanting and the precision plating. Another common challenge is maintaining a straight line on the sloping or uneven terrain. But with our powerful navigation and control algorithm, it's also a not big problem for AG993. So now let's check out how AG993 handles this kind of scenario. With terrain composition, AG993 minimizes skips and overlaps even under difficult terrain conditions. Now let's briefly look at the key software functions of the AG993 system. This system supports multiple guidance line types, flexible boundary creation, field management, data sharing, auto U-turn, and smart path planning. These functions are designed to reduce the operator's workload while maintaining the consistent operating qualities. So as you can see, we support like the A+, normal straight AB line, and the AB curve line, boundary curve, and pivot, and also the smart path. Multiple guidance lines may make AG993 adaptable to any kind of field shapes. Flexible boundary creation saves times for the users and reduces the setup errors. As you can see, you can use the drive-in and also the pick point from the map, which is quite convenient. The field management helps keep data consistent across the multiple machines, the boundary and guidance lines to another user, and they can use you created guidance line and boundaries, and you can work together. Okay, next, the easy data sharing enables efficiency between multiple tractors. And with this function, like the task sharing, like different users can collaborate with the same task, and they can see their working areas, like the working path on the display at the real time. And the auto U-turn reduces the operator workload and improves the headline efficiency. With this function, even you don't need like the routine planning, and you just need a boundary, then you can complete the automatic U-turn when reaching the boundary line, like the headline. Okay, this smart path automatically plans the most efficient working routine, gives higher efficiency in like the large kind of the fields. So finally, from a market perspective, AG993 supports multiple customer types. We support retrofit, factory, and OEM. For the retrofit market, it provides a cost-effective upgrade for vehicles which is without the original navigation systems. For factory installation, AG993 can be integrated into any new agricultural machinery. And for OEM partners, we offer open and flexible integration solutions, including customized hardware and software. This flexibility allows distributors to target both existing fleets and some new equipment markets. Okay, to summarize, the AG993 Auto Steering System offers reliable centimeter-level accuracy, flexible installation, proven real-field performance, and clear market positioning. It's a practical and scalable solution for both end users and business partners. Thank you for joining today's webinar. If you have any interest in demo, pricing, and partnership opportunities, please feel free to contact us.